Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to add card to Chase Bank digital wallet. Now, first thing you need to do is launch up your Chase Bank app. And then what I want you to do is just go here to your different credit cards that you have. And what you'll need to do is you will need to go ahead and choose the card that you will want to add to your digital wallet. So let's say you want to add this card to your digital wallet, you choose that, and then what you do is you go in and come here and click on digital wallets. You'll see the available digital wallets. You can add it to your PayPal, your GPay, your Apple Pay, whatever you want. Choose that specific one. And then for Apple Pay, for example, you'll see here the different cards that you can add it to your Apple Pay for your iPhone. If you have an Apple Watch, you can add it there as well, and you can confirm the card to be added there. And as you can see, it is now added. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out.